Welcome to Edurific. Hi students, in this session we shall dive a little deeper into creating our projects on Sprite Lab. So, as you all are familiar because of the previous videos where we have learned about the Sprite Lab, various blocks used and the creation of basic projects on the Sprite Lab through some significant blocks which give instructions and the visualization of the result of the script in the visualizing section. Now we shall make project where a football is to be navigated using keys to make a goal, although there is a small obstacle which will make the making of a goal by the football a little difficult. As you can see, I have already named the project as goal. Now, if we configure, the main objectives of this project will be 4. That is, the first one would be creating the sprites of football, goal net and obstacle. The second one will be enabling navigation of the football so that it moves till the goal. Third is when the football touches the obstacle, it should be removed, and whereas in the fourth, when the football makes a goal, the word goal should be broadcasted on the screen with a sound effect. In reference to our first objective of creating sprites of football, goal net and obstacle, we shall go to the world category and firstly set a background. So we'll drag the set background command and assemble it, and we shall change the background from city to court. Now we shall adjust and position the sprites of football, net and obstacle. Now we shall drag the make new sprite and assemble it. We will add the goal sprite. This is to inform you that both the goal sprite and the ball sprite are not available, so it is handy to make it on your own in the draw section. Now we will adjust the size of the goal since it is very small. So for this we will go on to the actions category, drag the set sprite size and assemble it. Change the sprite to goal and we shall change the size to about 300, which seems fine. Now we will have to position the goal in the proper place. For this we will press the key symbol and drag the cursor over it to our appropriate place. Now we have positioned the goal. We shall now have to position our ball. For this, we again go to the sprite section, drag make new sprite, add it in the assembly, change the sprite to a ball, and then since it is very small in size, again we shall be going to the action section, drag the set size command, change it to ball and change its size to about 150, which seems fine. Now I will go to the coordinates of the ball and drag it. To a little bit side and place it there. Now my goal and the ball are ready. Now we have to add our obstacles. By obstacles we mean that they do not enable the ball to move till the goal, and when the ball touches the obstacle, the ball is removed, thus enabling you to make it difficult to play the game. So we shall go to the sprite section, drag make new sprite command, assemble it, and I have decided that this would be my obstacle and I would like to position it differently. The way you position your obstacles wisely would enable you to make the game more difficult and disable the ball to not go till the goal. The number of obstacles you add also can make a difference. If you want, you can add one more obstacle. For that, we'll again go to Sprite section and drag the make new sprite command and again add one more obstacle of the same kind and place it here. Now there are two obstacles which can obstruct the view of the ball towards the goal and has got some challenges for the ball to go till the goal. First objective of creating the sprites and positioning them is thus satisfied. Now we shall focus on the second objective of making the football navigate. For this we have to go to the event section, drag, when up click, and now go to the action section, drag, move, sprite, and change our sprite to the ball. So this means that when the up key is pressed, the ball will move towards the north. Similarly, we will navigate the ball for down, left and right keys. So again we shall go to the event section, drag, when up pressed, but now we shall be changing up option to down, and now go to the action section and drag, move, sprite and place it below. Change our sprite to ball, and since it is down, we will change our direction to south. Similarly, we'll again go to the event section, drag the when pressed command, go to the action section, drag the move sprite command, place it below it, and now we shall change up to left. Since left is the direction towards west, we will change north to west. Now again we will go to the event section, change up to right and go to the action section and drag the move sprite command. Change the sprite to ball in both the cases and change the direction north to west or east because right is east. Now let us run the code to check whether the ball is being navigated. So now we shall press the left key. As you can see, the ball is moving towards the left. Now we shall press the up key. Now we shall press the down key. As you can see, the ball is navigating in the same way you have given the instructions. And now we are pressing the right key and it is navigating in the right key. We should reset it. Thus, the second objective of enabling the navigation of the football through We should now move on to the third objective, that is, when the football touches the obstacle, it should be removed. For this, instead of making the code below it, I am writing it side by side so that it is easier for you to understand and see. Now, we shall go to the event section and drag the command when sprite touches. Here our sprite is the ball which touches another sprite, the obstacle. Then we say that the ball has to be removed. So for this, we will go to the sprite section and drag the option remove and change it to ball. So this means that when the ball touches the obstacle, the ball should be removed. Let us check whether this will be working or not. So for this, we will click on the run which compiles the code, and we will purposefully move towards the obstacle. So I will press the up key. As you can see, as it has touched the obstacle, the ball has disappeared and has been removed. So we will reset it. And now our third condition of making the ball disappear or removing it has been satisfied. Now we will focus on the fourth objective, where when the football makes a goal, the word goal should be broadcasted on the screen and should be along with a sound effect, and the football should be removed and should be able to get on to the next start of the game for the next round. For this, we will go on to the event section, drag the when touches button and change our sprite to ball and touches the goal. This means that when our football touches the goal, there should be a text which says goal. So for this, we will go to the text category and drag print and assemble it here, and in the print message we will be writing goal, which shall be appearing on the screen. Also, it is told to accompany with a sound effect. For this, we shall go to the world category, drag play sound and assemble it here, and we will be choosing any sound. So this has a collection of various sounds, and we will search for a winning sound. So let us add this sound and we choose it. Now we have added our sound. Now, since the ball has made the goal, we will make the ball disappear once it touches the goal. So for this, we have to go to the sprite section and drag the remove command, assemble it here and change the sprite to ball. So this means that when the ball touches the goal, the word goal will be broadcasted on the screen with a sound that will be accompanied, and the ball will be removed. Now, since it should again take back its position for the next round, we will again add the command make new sprite from the sprite section, drag it and assemble it here. We will be changing the sprite to ball and will be changing its coordinates to again the same. Now we'll again set its size to 150, like we have done with the previous ball, so as they remain alike. So now we have done whatever should be done for the ball when it touches the goal, thus satisfying our fourth condition. Now we shall see if it works by compiling the code by pressing the run button. So we shall carefully go and navigate the ball without it making touch the obstacles. So like I told you, if there are more obstacles, it will be difficult for the ball to go. So it should be navigated very carefully without letting it touch the obstacles. See, since we have touched the obstacle, the ball is now removed. So we'll again reset and try another way of reaching the goal. So we'll go to the extreme right and then go ahead towards the goal. If we want to increase the movements of the ball, we can even change the number of pixels it moves for each step. So as you've seen, this path is clear, but if you want to make it difficult, you can also add obstacles in this path. So we are approaching towards the goal. This is just to make you see what will happen when the ball touches the goal. So instead of opting for the straight way, we have gone through the corners to avoid obstacles. We have come to the periphery of the goal and now we can touch it. As you have seen, when we have touched the goal, the word goal has appeared and the sound which we have chosen has appeared. But the ball has come back to the same position but is smaller of size. So we have to set its size properly, that is, we haven't changed the sprite out here. So we will change the sprite and now check. So this is the game which enables you to create obstacles and give it different traits and make it difficult for the ball to reach the goal. You can create a number of games like this. As you have dwelled a little deeper in this project, you might be familiar with how to continue on such projects. I hope you have understood